Oh, go back, man. Go back, you idiot. Oh. Oh no, it's Burak. Oh. Sorry, just about to scream at you and I.
Yes, Tony, how are you?
Very well, thanks. Yeah.
Fine, very well, thank you.
But you have to go back. Go back, go back, go back, go back.
I don't think so. I think you have to go back.
Do I?
You've got space over there.
But my car's my car's.
Yes, I know you are
Proper
royalty
power,
and I'm poverty, but yes.
Exactly. Somehow agreed to swap cars with Burak this morning for a few hours. Can't think why I agreed to do that. It's a beautiful day and this car's not even convertible. Open the sunroof. Where's the button here? No, there isn't one. Oh well. To admit it's more exciting than my car. Somehow more alive. Partly the steering has a great deal more feel. And the engine's a bit of a sort of brute. It makes a noise like an angry washing machine, but it is quite exciting. Surprisingly good acceleration rate. I think it's because these Porsches are not really very heavy. I don't know how they managed to make it both sort of bulletproof, solid build and not very heavy. Better not crash it, otherwise Burak will be furious with me. If I do crash it, it will be by sending it off tail first on a corner presumably.